What's up, y'all? I'm JC, owner of 502 Equipment. Today we're going to cover winterization of a GapVax VHE truck. One of my new VHEs, brand new, going to winterize it for the very first time. A couple key details right here. Mother Nature is not your friend, okay? You must winterize your truck. My rule of thumb is 35 or below. I'm going to do this procedure. Whether we're going out to the job site, truck's got to sit outside overnight, you must do this. Let's get started at the water pump. First thing we're going to do, let gravity do its thing, open all of our valves, drain all the water off the truck. Don't forget the little sneaky purge valve back here in the back. Let it do its thing. All right, y'all, once gravity's done its thing, next we're gonna go back and close our valves. Every GapVax truck is plumbed to chassis air, so we can use that air to blow out the remaining water from the system. We're gonna isolate the water pump, walk back to the control box, blow out any remaining water sitting on the truck. See this air out valve right here? We'll take it and open it up. Come over to the control box. We're going to come and hold our air out button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Air out indicated. Hit our blue button. Get water spraying out the hose here. Let that go until it's spin there. Once spin there like that, you can hit our blue button and close it off. We'll walk back to our water pump, close our air valve. All right, last step. We've drained all the water off. We've used air to blow any remaining water out. Last thing we're gonna do, especially if the truck's sitting outside overnight or might be sitting outside over the weekend, every Gap sold at 502 Equipment has Glycol plumbed into the main pump. We're gonna open that valve, run the pump till we get Glycol coming out of our hose reel on the other side. Quick pro tip right here. Glycol's gravity fed, so as soon as you open the valve, it's coming. Be quick on your feet, go to the other side and run the pump. Glycol supply valve, we'll take it, open it. We'll come over here, actually turn our pump on. Completely optional if you want to let it come out of your front hose reel or not. What's most important to me is filling up my water pump with Glycol. Hose reel, give or take, if I blew it out properly, should be fine overnight. We'll let our pump run for a few seconds. We'll turn our pump off, go back and close our valve. All right, at this point, we've drained all the water off. We used pressurized air to blow any remaining water sitting in the system. Then we flooded our water pump with Glycol. I was always taught, very last step, overnight, leave all your valves open. Better a valve gets stuck open than a valve gets stuck closed. So what I want to do is just go back and open all those valves and let the truck be good to sit out open. Right there. Third valve. All right, y'all. At this point, truck's winterized, able to sit outside in the cold temperatures. It's been JC, owner of 502 Equipment. Let's get it.